Hey there, ever recorded a tutorial, sales demo, or class only to mess up a word halfway through? With most screen recorders, that means starting over from scratch, which is frustrating, time-consuming, and honestly exhausting. But what if you could just pause, rewind a few seconds, and re-record over the mistake instantly? That's exactly what Vento does. Vento is a lightweight screen recording tool that takes the stress out of recording. Instead of editing for hours or restarting every time, Vento lets you fix mistakes as you go, keeping your recording smooth and natural without complicated software. Rewind and re-record. Here's the magic. If you fumble a line or get interrupted by background noise, just pause, rewind, and re-record. You don't have to start over. You don't have to fire up a video editor. It's like an undo button for your screen recordings, multiple takes. And if you're practicing a pitch training video or a product demo, you can jump back to the same rewind point and try as many takes as you need until it feels perfect. No wasted time, no frustration. Chapters and annotations. Vento also makes your videos easier to watch. You can add chapter headings so viewers can quickly skip to the sections they care about. And if you forgot to mention something, just drop in an author annotation that your viewers will see before continuing. Recording and transcription. It runs directly in Chrome or Edge, so there's nothing to install. You can record your screen, webcam, system audio, or microphone, all in crisp 1080p. And here's a nice bonus. You get free audio transcriptions while you record, which makes it easier to find exactly where you want to rewind. Sharing and hosting. When you're done, your video is instantly ready to share. No long processing or upload times. You get unlimited hosted videos, which makes it super simple to send recordings to clients, teammates, or students. Now, most tools like Loom or Screencastify will run you $10 to $30 every month. But with the Vento Lifetime Deal on AppSumo, you pay just $49.99 once, and you get lifetime access. That includes unlimited hosted videos, 1-hour recordings, 1080p quality, and all future premium plan updates. No subscriptions, no recurring fees. To keep it real, Vento is focused on simplicity. It doesn't have advanced editing or fancy virtual backgrounds like Loom yet. But if your main goal is recording clean, mistake-free videos fast, it nails that job perfectly. So if you're tired of restarting recordings every time you slip up, Vento is a game changer. Check the link in the description to grab the lifetime deal while it's still available. Pay once, record forever. No restarts required. Thanks for watching and happy recording.